I'm going to show you how to use the traditional US algorithm to add decimals to the hundredths place. And I'm using grid paper because a lot of times students will make errors in calculation due to their places not being set up in a very organized way. So grid paper is a very easy, simple way to help your students keep their place values in alignment while they're adding or subtracting. I'm also using two different colors. I'm using green for my decimals and purple for my whole numbers, which is something else to help reinforce reasonableness with students when they are checking their answers. All right, so I'm going to start and just follow the traditional algorithm. So I'm starting working my way from right to left. I'm starting in the hundredths place, and I'm going to say it using the place so that I don't strip that value as I add. So 2 hundredths plus 8 hundredths is 10 hundredths. So I'm going to put a 0 to hold my place, and I'm going to carry the 10th. So notice I said carry the 10th, not carry a 1. So now I'm going to add the tenths place. 1/10 plus 3/10 is 4/10. 4/10 plus 4/10 is 8/10. So I'm going to put my 8/10 in the right place. I'm going to bring my decimal down because now I'm moving over to the whole number side of my problem. And I'm just going to repeat. 8 plus 0 is 8. 20 plus 0 is 20. So my final answer is 28 and 8/10, or I could say 28 and 80 hundredths.